What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Antonio the Realtor. In today's video, I have a really nice starter home for you guys. Single family home, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms in Berwyn, Illinois, 2636 Lombard. And this place is $350,000. Really nice rehab. Let's go inside it and take a look. All right, let's get the tour started. So right when we walk in, we have a little bit of a living room, dining room situation going on here. Pretty nice. And don't forget, you guys, this is 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms in Cicero, Illinois. So this one's nicely staged. As you can see, can lighting on the top. This is a really good starter home. I grew up in Cicero, so I know the area, and I just got to tell you, this is a nice one, you guys. The way that they put it together, you can tell they cared. They didn't just throw something together. They actually took their time. Looks good. Okay, this here on the bottom, of course, that's laminate wood paneling. It looks good. Okay, I'm going to give you another look at this side here. Fantastic, but living room, dining room, and those are pretty nice sized sofas, so not bad. We're going to turn around, and right as we turn around, we have our bathroom. Bathroom's done very well. Okay, the rehab looks good in here. Fixtures that they chose are nice. That looks good. The tile in the shower looks good. The tub, I'm seeing a lot of black and gray with the white tubs, of course. Right now in 2026, I don't know if that's a new trend, but so far looks like it. This is cool. You know, that's especially this is something new I'm starting to see as well. When they're starting to give the corners, the silver corners. There's me, of course, and we'll walk out, and it'll take us into the kitchen. Okay, so here is the kitchen. Nice profile. Beautiful kitchen. This here is where they have their furnace. I'm going to open that up really quick. So that's a new furnace. Okay. So take a step back. Take a look at the kitchen. Very nice. Nice kitchen. Cabinets look great. I mean, they're new. Everything in here is very nice. I like when they stage the place. They do things like this. To me, that's cool. They have waters here. There's going to be an open house here today too, you guys. So get down here quick. There is your refrigerator. It's inset in there. And then, of course, again, fixtures look good. It's a beautiful fixture. So property is totally updated. Very nice. In some instances, you can ask them to leave some of the furniture behind, but you know. Okay, bedroom right off of the kitchen. And again, there is a living room. Bathroom, this is the kitchen, and now we have a bedroom. Here they have it set up as an office, which is fine. Very large bedroom, okay? You could put a queen size in here, full size bed, and you'll be fine. Closet is big. Nice size closet. I'll turn around here and give you the profile of the bedroom like this. That looks good. I am not mad at that. Okay, now we are going to go to the porch. There's your boiler. So there's no basement in here, okay? That's why you saw the AC unit there, and that's why you see the boiler here. There is a setup here for washer and dryer, which is fantastic. If you look at the bottom, that is your gas line. There is your electrical panel, new windows leading up to the yard, which I think we'll take a crack at the yard after we go upstairs. So guys, before we head upstairs, I just wanted to point out, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do me a favor. I'm trying to get to 1,000 as of the day that we put this up. I don't have 1,000. And also, if you want to get down payment assistance, shoot me a message or leave a comment below. I can help put you through that program. And for more property tours, you will see tags somewhere in the video taking you to all the other tours. But nevertheless, let's go upstairs and let's take a look at the rest of this awesome property in Cicero, Illinois. So let's go up. And for those of you guys wanting to buy your first home, this is a nice starter home. Down payment assistance, of course, is available on any property that you want to purchase. It just really depends on whether or not you can get qualified for it. So let's find out. This is my first time upstairs too, you guys. So I'm seeing this place live just as you're watching it. Okay, let's take a look. Bedroom number 2. Okay, that's a twin size bed. A little bit large. Oh, yeah, it's a twin size bed. I was going to say it's a little bit larger than a twin, just it looks that way. There's a lot of space in here. Okay, there's a closet. I'm going to walk over here. Deep closet, wide closet, actually. There is your bedroom. Okay, nice size. We're gonna come this way. Let's see what we got over here. Bedroom number 3. And if you do notice, you guys, that's a lot of light. A lot of lighting. Very nice. Very nice. And again, huge closet. I'm going to turn this way. This is a really wide closet. Let me step back here. Look at this. That's a wide closet. A lot of closet space. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. You know, what is that? Staging a property, especially like this, just really gives you the ability to see what's really going on. Okay. I'm going to call this the master. Okay. Master bedroom, main bedroom. So to the right, we have, there's a bathroom. And if you looked over here, I don't know if you saw it when I passed it, that's another entrance to the bathroom. But I'm going to come over here in the corner. I'm going to turn. And there is your bedroom. Look how big that bed frame is. Okay. They have their own closet over there. So I come over here. There's your closet. Okay. Huge bedroom. I like this place a lot. For your first time home buyer, I think this is a really, really nice looking space. Let me come over here. I look like Indiana Jones. Look at that. Look at the shower though. You imagine that? You come home, come upstairs, you know, you do that, right? Then you come over here, you take a shower, you know, you brush your teeth, you relax, turn around, come in the room. Maybe you got a TV going, like on the stand over here, where you play a little bit of chess, you practice your chess moves. That's what I would be doing. I play a lot of chess. And then, you know, here's your bedroom. That's fantastic. Let me show you a profile of the outside. Okay, here's the outside. Looks good. And if I come over here, you can go right across the property. And now you can look outside to the yard, which I was going to take you guys to because my boy Brian's out there in the yard. He's another realtor with the company. But guys, that's a one car, 1.5 car garage, almost 2. We can call it a 2. Looks like a 2-car garage. So guys, if you want to see more property tours, or if you want to find out how to get down payment assistance, leave me a comment in the video down below. If not, you can watch more video tours here. You can watch the video that's best for you over here. If not, please, the center here, you should be able to subscribe. But thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys at the next house.